Got a warning light on your dashboard? Don't rush to disconnect the battery, that's a common mistake. It might turn off the light, but it doesn't fix the real problem. Let me break down why that's actually a bad move. A lot of drivers try the old school trick. Disconnect the battery for a few minutes to reset the dashboard lights. And sure, it might turn them off, but only for a while. You're not solving anything, you're just clearing the error memory. The fault is still there. So once the car detects it again, that warning light, it's coming right back. Even worse, disconnecting the battery can mess with your car's settings. Your radio, your clock, even your ECU's adaptations. And if the issue is serious, like ABS, power steering, or engine related, you could be putting yourself at risk of a breakdown. Here's the right way to handle it. Step 1. Scan for fault codes with an OBD2 scanner. Step 2. Diagnose and fix the actual issue. It could be a bad sensor, low fluid, damaged wiring, or something else. Step 3. After fixing it, then you can reset the light. Either with a scanner, or by disconnecting the battery to reset the system. But only after the problem is fixed. Don't just erase the symptoms, solve the problem first, then reset. If you want real fixes and not shortcuts, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Check out my other videos for step-by-step guides to fixing and resetting dashboard warning lights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.